had two reactions, like a Barcelona fan, like supporters, like I'm sorry, the club of my heart. So I am so sad because we're going to miss the perfect trainer from Barcelona for his personality, character. His 3 years, only 2 years, and now 3 years, he played unbelievable football and with unbelievable players. So that is the point. The second one, if he decides that, I understand him completely. And of course, I wish him the best. It's just like a fan from a membership from Barcelona, just to can say thank you for all I've done in these 3 years in my club.